mahabang buhok mo. Ano sabi ko naman, sabi ko kasi hindi ko naman hinahayaan na nakalaylay yung buhok ko pagka nagluluto ako ng ano nyo, pagkain nyo, sabi ko sa kanya. Oo, sabi niya, basta laging nakaipit lang. Kasi yung iba kasi dito nasanay na yung mga Pilipina dito ding na ano, tawag nito. Pagka mahaba na yung buhok nila, pinapagupitan na nila kaagad. Nasanay na sila. Bakit kayo, hindi kasi, ano, ayaw nung mga ano, yung mga Chinese na nag mahaba yung buhok mo kasi nga more on kusina. Yung sa pagluluto ba, hindi sila trusted, hindi sila tiwala na hindi malagyan ng buhok, mga ganyan. Yan. Kasi magagalit yan sila, siyempre. Pag once na nalagyan ng buhok yung ano, yung pagkain nila na niluluto mo, terminated ka. Ganyan. Miss your head banging, hair flip, live like you always. Yeah, I miss that also. But here in Hong Kong is so, what you call this? My work before in Saudi is double, um, it makes it double tiring here in Hong Kong. Ang strict. Yes, ang strict be. Yeah, I miss that also nature. You know that when I do the head banging, my live streaming, hair flipping, hair combing, it takes me more 1 hour to do that before I go to sleep. I miss that also. It's been a long year, 2 years maybe. Hi, soft teddy bear. It's me, your big teddy bear. Hindi siya andin daw si teddy bear. Hello, Eric Vandenborn. Look at my hair. My hair is mag-update din kasi yeah, hopefully I need to buy a ring light. Lang kasi hindi ko na magagawa yung sinasabi niya din kasi nga Popo is life na rin. Instead of mag-live ako ng ganung oras ng YouTube, nagla-live na kasi ng ng Popo. Yeah, hopefully I need to buy a ring light to lighten up my room to do a live streaming. Kami wala na upload. I miss you very much. Can you draw your long hair cover your face and say big teddy bear? Yeah. Oh, magdamay-dami na kayo dyan. Wala nang upload. Bahala kayo dyan. Ako, pagka day off, yun. Pag day off, tawag nito, mag-live. Emilia D, where are you from? I am from the Philippines, but I'm working here in Hong Kong. 2 hours traveling time from Hong Kong, from Philippines to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to Philippines. I think I fall in love with your soft teddy bear. Oh, really? Thank you so much for that. And I thank you. It's really good. Yeah. See. B. Put camera lower and your hair falls over it. So beautiful. It's so windy here. Ano ni Be? Miss ko na kayo Hindi na kayo nagtatambay sa panel ko Anyari. I want use of teddy bear. Ito namang teddy bear ko na ito. Kiniklaim na niya na teddy bear ko siya. Hindi naman magpalipan. Ano ba yan?